My name is Pearl. I'm a 6-year-old girl. Welcome to my toy room. Whoa! These are the new Shoppies Girl I think from season 10. They're super cute. And I really like them. Pommy, this is Pommy. I think she's out with the pom-poms because she has so many pom-poms. It doesn't have the money. No, because it's a new one. To go with the Pommy, and she's really cute. She has like pigtails that look like pom-poms. Yeah, she's so cute. So here she is, and this is something, Speak it says, and I think this is her Pommy, a big softie at work. And then this is the Pommy, and she actually looks a lot like she's in the picture. And then this passport thing. This next one is Summer Peachy. Okay. Yeah. This is her Shopkin. I thought it was the same one for me because it was also it's pink again. So this one's gonna have a different Shopkin. So one of these things. It's like a ooh, this is cute. She's cute, and her name is Jessica. And we'll take her thingy out before we get her. Like always when I her shoes are cool, and like even her Shopkin. You guys haven't been looking at the Shopkin part. Yeah, and this is her Shopkin. Oh, this is her. And then stand. But the stand do not work on this shirt, so I don't need a stand. So yeah. And this is the last one we're gonna be opening. She's cute. She's Lolita Pops. Whoa. Okay. And then this is her card thing. One of her shoes came off, but I got it in time. So, this is Lolita Pops. Yeah, and she has a bow. This is Pommy. Lolita Pops. Yeah, Jacinta. This is Jacinta. And then Summer Peaches. And then this is my favorite because of the pom-poms. I just love pom-poms. And I like her hair. I'm gonna play with them with all my others. And with all of my Shopkins. Shop Style Shoppies. Thanks for watching Playtime with Pearl.